Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find liked videos on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. You tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. In the Settings section, you scroll down and locate your activities. Good. In the activities section, you tap on Activity Log. This shows every single activities on your Facebook account. Tap on your Facebook activity. Then you tap on Comments and Reaction. Now you select Likes and Reactions. So, this shows you every single likes and reaction for any photos, posts or videos. If you want to find your liked videos, you just have to scroll down. You can see a list of videos and photos you've liked. You can see here today I liked this photo and yesterday also. So you can also tap on the three dots beside the video to view the videos or the reels again, and also to unlike the videos, and also to view the profile. You can go back in time many years ago to see videos that you've watched years ago. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Hit the like button, share and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.